Hello to my factory. I have changes in the plans with Woodchipper blades work. This the thickness work I don't do because we figured out that we can custom these clamps for those thick blades. Also, you don't exchange wide of the blade very much because this is an original blade. It's damaged, but new blade will be around. So easiest this custom here, make a deeper pocket and mill away a little bit from here, so then we can easily put this blade here. Why I done this? Because some of blades was around, so those blades already have work machining like this, because it's later it's more easier to work them by surface grinder. Also the angle here is 30 degrees angle, and I will exchange it to 40 degrees angle. Also customer gives this to me for I can figure it out right angle for the blades. Here we can see a 40, 48, 38, 44 degrees. By this set can find out blade angle, you know. So, and now I run my mill and just look how these blades get milled. So now it's much better. So speed was 500 and feed was 250 millimeters per minute. So this was the last set, and I think next I set those blade sets on my surface grinder, and then I know how wide I should to make this pocket for the blades. And I think in next week we go to another factory for to order prepare pieces for this, for by plasma cutter cut out pieces from steel, but from 20 millimeters thick, not 17 millimeters thick, and so we can completely use blades from another Woodchipper brand. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.